Modern factories are in a constant battle, so let's look at their secret weapons for training.
I mean, what if you could just get rid of unplanned downtime? That's the goal, right?
On the factory floor, inconsistent work and machine downtime are absolute productivity killers. So to fight this, the industry is using a new digital toolkit to empower its people.
The solution boils down to two key tools, one for the machines and one for the people.
First, you've got IETM. Think of it like a digital expert guiding every single move.
And then there's CBT. It's a digital classroom building up a super skilled workforce.
So how do these actually work in the real world? Let's kick things off with IETM. You get interactive maintenance checklists and even animated guides for those really complex repairs. Now over to CBT. This is all about creating a smarter, more capable team.
It gets everybody on the same page about the what, the why, and the how.
Put them together and you cover everything from day one training to long-term maintenance. Okay, so we've got the tools, but what's the actual measurable impact here?
Well, it really all boils down to one critical thing, a major boost in productivity.
For one, you're keeping machines running. That means more output, plain and simple.
And the other huge win is consistency. You get fewer mistakes and way less costly rework.
Look, this isn't just some theory. It's the future of manufacturing. So, are you ready for it?